Ever wondered how websites are built, how apps learn, or how complex data is handled? Dreaming of creating your own software but don't know where to start? Today we're taking the first exciting steps into the world of Python, one of the most beginner-friendly programming languages out there. Python isn't just popular, it's incredibly versatile. From web development and data science to artificial intelligence and automation, Python is everywhere. It's perfect for beginners like you. Its simple, readable syntax. It almost feels like writing in plain English. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up your environment and writing your very first lines of Python code. By the end of this, you'll have a solid foundation to start your coding journey. Step 1, installing Python. Our first step is to get Python installed on your computer. Completely free and easy to set up. Open your web browser and go to python.org to the downloads section, and you'll usually see the latest stable version of Python available for your operating system. Installer. And Asterisk, once downloaded, run the installer. It's crucial, make sure to check the box that says add Python to path before clicking install now. This makes it much easier to run Python from anywhere on your computer. To confirm it's installed correctly, open your command prompt or terminal and type Python version. See the version number printed out. Python is ready. Step 2, your first code editor. While you can write Python in a simple text editor, a dedicated code editor, also known as an integrated development environment or IDE, will make your life much easier. It provides features like syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and debugging tools. My recommendation for beginners is Visual Studio Code or VS Code, free, powerful, and widely used. Just go to code.visualstudio.com and download the installer for your system. Install it just like any other program. Once installed, open VS Code. You'll see a clean interface. This is where you'll be writing and managing all your Python code. It might look a bit intimidating at first, but you'll quickly get comfortable. 3, writing your first Python program. Now for the fun part, writing some code. VS Code, go to File, New File. Save this new file immediately. Click File Save as navigate to a folder where you want to keep your projects and name it firstscript.py. The .py extension is essential. It tells your computer it's a Python file. Now, type this classic line of code print. Hello, Python! The print function is one of the most fundamental in Python. It simply displays whatever you put inside the parentheses to the screen. Make sure hello Python is enclosed in double quotes. This tells Python it's a string of text. For running your script, you've written your first program. Now let's see it in action! For VS Code, you can open a terminal directly within the editor. To terminal, new terminal at the top menu. Asterisk, this will open a command line window at the bottom of VS Code. Make sure the terminal is in the same directory where you saved your first script.py file. Use the cd command to navigate there. Example, cd my Python projects. Asterisk, once you're in the correct folder, type the following command and press enter Python firstscript.py. And there it is. You should see hello Python printed right there in your terminal. Congratulations, you've just run your first Python program. Huge milestone. Step 5, understanding variables. Let's make our script a little more dynamic by introducing variables. Variables as containers that hold information. You give them a name and you can store different types of data inside them. First, script.py file. Let's add these lines. Greeting equals hello name equals learner message equals greeting plus name plus print message. Here, greeting and name are variables storing text. Message combines them. Now run your script again using python first script.py in the terminal. Stress, you should see hello learner. Variables allow you to store and manipulate data, which is fundamental to all programming. You can change the values of greeting or name, and the output will update without changing the print statement directly. So plus the CTA, and there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've installed Python, set up a professional code editor, written and executed your very first Python program, and even learned about variables. Officially on your way to becoming a Python programmer. The key now is to practice and experiment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly coding tutorials. Let me know in the comments what other Python topics you'd like to explore next. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next video!